Hey, good morning, guys. It is another day here in Long Beach Island, and guess who made their arrival? Oh, come here, say hi to everyone. Say hi. Hi, everybody. Molly and Paisley made it. Yay. Let's see where Jess is. Let's see where Jess is. I think he's in the bathroom. All right, so we'll revisit him in just a couple minutes. But it's a beautiful day. Come on, girls, you want to go out on the deck? Come on! So excited. Let's go. Then we're gonna take them for a nice walk. Come on, Pace. Yay! Look at them. They're so cute. They're so inquisitive about everything. Brewing some coffee. Let me see what we are. I think we're making this one today. Cinnamon hazelnut. We have all kinds of flavors. We brought some stevia for mine, sugar for Jess. Let's make some breakfast, guys. There's lots of people out in YouTube world that were dying to see you, so say good morning.
A lovely good morning to the people dying to see me.
So we're walking, we're heading toward the ocean. And guess what time it is? It's fueling time. Chocolate mint bar for the win.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard down. And I say,
and we normally bring water, but we honestly didn't think we were gonna walk this long, and it got hot really quickly. So Jess, being the good doggy dad he is, he went there across the street to a store to see if they had water, but they didn't. But they had doggy bowls, so he bought a doggy bowl, and now he's walking around trying to find somewhere to get water when we could pretty much just go right down there to the vending machine and get a bottle of water. So this is so funny. Right, guys? What do you think about that, Mom? Where is he? Only Jess. Only Jess. How'd you do, Jess?
The worst part is my thighs are chafed from the spring working at home.
Did you? Let's see the dog bowl. What'd you get? What a good doggy daddy you are. Oh, collapsible one. Yeah.
Good vibes only.
What'd you get from Daddy? Daddy got you a present.
Like, where's the water?
Yeah. Downing a chocolate shake now because it's 2 hours and 20 minutes later. Time to eat. Heading to the beach, and I will pack my little packet with fueling because I only plan on being there for a couple hours. Nothing crazy. Waiting for Kevin to come down, and who knows, maybe we'll go for our bike ride. We brought our bikes and just have a fun day. So I'm glad that you guys are with us this week. This is so much fun. So cheers to vacation.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was...
You guys want the best laugh of ever? So So we're about to leave and we found this in the backyard. I don't know whose it is or what it is supposed to be for, but we took it and we packed it with all our stuff because when you get to the beach here at the end of that little boardwalk, there's quite a way to get to the ocean. So we took it and it's called the Wheelies. So we scored. Anyway, the weather here is beautiful today. There's not a cloud in the sky. The water's nice and the beach is not crowded at all. And we're enjoying ourselves immensely. So I'm gonna kick back, enjoy the sun, listen to some tunes, and watch the seagull here eating somebody's bag of Doritos. He took it from a bag, look. It's a full bag of Doritos. He's just gotta rip it open. The whole bag, he's trying to get it open. There he goes. I'm cracking up. How funny.
Do you ever feel you don't get out what you're putting in?
Alright, so we're back and having some lunch. I decided to have a brownie and one of my greens, which is a salad, a little bit of tomato, and a tablespoon of Walden Farms, bottle of water, and then I'm gonna take a shower. We'll see you later. We're gonna go outside and start cooking. So here's what we have for the grill. We've got, straight from Germany, uncured bratwurst. We have uncured hot dogs. And we have 2 packages of burgers. And I am gonna have a burger. Oops, sorry, but I'm gonna weigh it out on my scale. I'm cooking tater tots. And this was my little spread here. We got some crackers, some cheese. I showed you that before, I think. Hi! And this is the stuff we're gonna put on the burgers. We've got sliced provolone. We have pepper jack and cheddar. And then I have potato rolls in every shape and form. I'm gonna use Montreal steak seasoning. And then for condiments, we have sugar-free ketchup. We have Golden's mustard. And we have some of this. Everything aioli. And there was something, oh, hello, for the vegetable. Some green beans. So nice and simple. So for me, I'm gonna have some green beans and a burger, and the rest of the gang will have whatever they want. Jess right now is fishing, so he'll be back in a little while. And so we'll go downstairs into the backyard and cook on the grill. All right, let's go. Alrighty, so dinner was wonderful. I had my burger and some green beans, and now it's about 2 hours later, and I'm gonna have as my dessert brownie. And I also made some, well, it actually was from earlier today, and we saved it, hazelnut cinnamon coffee. So this is my dessert, and I'm gonna go sit outside on the porch. I got Kevin and Ashley riding bikes. Jess is fishing. Brittany's here with me with the dogs. Just got the dishwasher going, cleaned up, and gonna hang out for just a little while, have a little bit of me time, and then I don't know what's going on next. What are we doing later? We're gonna go see the sunset maybe? Check out the things. I don't know, but well, today was such a great day, guys. I'm gonna be bringing my last fueling with us. It's gonna be a bar because it's portable and easy. And I also wanna get this uploaded for you because I have a feeling it's gonna be a late night. So I'm gonna end the vlog here today and spend the rest of the night with the fam. We're gonna play some board games later and just have a great time. So thanks for sticking around and enjoying our vacation with us and seeing what I eat and how I pack fuelings. And I will see you all tomorrow. Have a good night, guys.